So hey, what's up? So I am Devansh and you're watching Tech by Me. So in this video we are going to create a responsive clock UI. So this responsive clock UI going to be amazing front end project, and you can create it for your portfolio or anything else. And let us take a demo of the project. So here is the link, and I will post this link in description. Go ahead, check out the description. You will get this link, and let it come. Till then, yeah, it came. So oh, wait, let it be a bit of, that much of the stuff. Yeah, so we are going to see our today's project, and it will be a front end project for a portfolio or anything else. So why it is taking some time? Okay, yeah, it came. So now when I will visit this, you see guys, it is too much interesting stuff, and you will learn the concept of the dark theme and the light theme by this project source code. And you can see like here PM, and it is too much easy, and it shows the correct time. See, 59 and 55. It, I think that is 0.5 milliseconds, like that. There is some issue of that, but I'm not able to solve that. So it is just like that. I hope you got my point. And when I will click on this, see guys, it is too much interesting. And one thing, let me show you, like when it is in black color, the words, and when I will click on this dark theme, then these colors come in white. Okay, so it is not a big deal. We will create this, but creating the project in the video, it is too, it makes video too longer. And if you want to create this, then I hope you know about the HTML and JS, SCCS. It is not a big deal. You can just drag and drop, and I don't think that you need to learn this, as nothing like worry from this. The main thing is in this style sheet. I think that there is no difference between SCSS and CSS. So let me show you. Okay, let me just write. What's happening to me, man? Yes, yes. Is there any is any difference between SCS and CSS? So let us see the answer of this from a Google. Okay, sorry guys for the network speed. I don't know why it is not not supporting me, but yeah, it's supported. Difference SCS contain all feature of CSS. See, differences. CSS SCSS contains all the feature of CSS, okay, and contain more features that are not present in CSS, which make it a good choice for developer to use it. SCSS offers a variable. You can shorten your code by using variables. It is great advantage over conventional CSS. So the advantage are here. See, there are some things like that there is not. I mean to say that CSS is older than SCSS. I, in not age, I am talking about features. Okay, I'm talking about features. I guess CSS is older. Who is good? First of all, see who is good, SCSS or CSS. I'm showing you on Google because which who is good? Oh man, who is good? CSS. I wrote the. Let's leave it. We got the answer. SCSS contains all the features of CSS, contains more features that are not present in CSS, which make it a good choice for developer to use it. The same answer, guys. The same answer. Which some guys are more intelligent than me, so they are good. So I think that SCSS is more powerful and easier to use. Okay, for those who have some knowledge about programming, or you can say web development, so it is too much easy project. Let me show you just this. and there is just 63 lines of code of HTML. If I will format document, then it goes to 76. If you are using the format, it is a bit different for you, but I will not that, because this format is amazing format. I don't want to change it. I use this clock.png to for the this logo. And one thing that there is too much interesting, that let me show you that thing, that I hope you got my point what I want to say, but still let me tell you, this clock, this one is totally by SCSS, or you can say CSS. Are you shocked? I know you are shocked. So this is the background code, I mean JavaScript, that is used for our backend, like showing this correct time, exact time, you can say, but not exact, I will say it. And in one bonus point is here, that where you can see the exact time. It is a very asked question, where you can see exact time. So I have a website for you where you can see the exact time. It is called time.is. When you will go to this, then you will see the correct time, exact time. Okay, you will see exact time, exact means exact. Okay, so it will show some advertisement, but it is the world's exact time. Okay, not like exact is like no millisecond difference. So I think I have tell you, then visit it and see what is there. And when you will see like here, then let me show you, let us match the time with our clock, so we will understand our clock is how much uh, wrong, so that it will be easier for us to understand. Just now the time comes, let's see the how much time it will take. A 2, and here it go, only 1 second difference. You see 1 second difference. Here is just 1 second back, this clock is. And responsiveness is awesome. You will see this responsive website. I don't believe that you you are not shocked. I know you are shocked. I already know about that. So let me show you. Oh, I am using Mozilla, sorry. So this is a demo, and we are not going to create this. Shock? No need to shock. I will just give you the source code, and you need to understand that. Then this is only the trick from where you can understand it properly and better than ever. Okay, than ever. I'm saying ever word in there, so be like a boom. So I know you are shocked. So so this is the all project. I just wanted to show you that I created this project, and I want you to also download the source code from this website. Link is in description. Go ahead with GitHub, and just feel free to give it a star, please. And next, I wanted to give you another bonus. Next video will be on tailwind css. So be stay tuned, guys. So I think that it is enough for this video, and I have gave you the source code, and you can go ahead with the source code. And this website is awesome, and it is for both dark theme and light theme. It is both. Okay, and you can understand the code. This code is not any more difficult. Okay, so it shows the correct exact time, but just 1 second difference. So we cannot say then exact, we cannot say exact yet. Yeah, so that's all, guys, for this video. And if you need any if you need any topic video from me, so just comment out, and I will meet you next time. BDW, guys, I want to give you a another bonus, that in this source code you can just understand the source code of from this clock UI only. You are getting my point? It is too much easy to understand. You can just go ahead with this website, and not my website, it is GitHub. I hope you know about that. If you're not, then just comment out you need a tutorial on GitHub or Git, and I will be back with that. And next, wait for the next video and stay tuned. See ya.